First, it was the Dutch settlers. We made them want to leave the country and go to America. And now Volvo is also leaving the country. Well, they're not leaving entirely, but they're not going to open any more dealerships in South Africa. So the remaining dealerships that they have, when they close down, that's it. Volvo is gone. And it makes sense because the whole automobile market is being taken over by China. The Chinese are taking over when it comes to electric vehicles and also normal cars. They're taking over the market share of VW, Benz, Volvo, BMW. And when it comes to electric cars, Tesla has lost the war. The Chinese have taken over as well. This is a clear example that even if South Africa gets completely sanctioned, we would survive because we have the East to trade with. That includes Russia, that includes the Chinese, India, all the BRICS countries. Don't let anyone scare you that South Africa will turn into Zimbabwe because most of us are prepared for what's coming.